Thai cooking classes. Among the most valued activities by tourists returning from their trip to Thailand are cooking classes. These typically begin with a visit to a garden or a market, where you'll be introduced to the main ingredients that form part of the Thai diet. Gastronomy is, without a doubt, one of the most accessible and delicious aspects of the local culture. To understand its essence, it is important to consider, on the one hand, the cultural influence of India, which has been present in this region since before the arrival of the Thai people, and, on the other hand, the deep influence of China, brought by numerous groups that emigrated from there over the centuries. The result is a cuisine based on fresh ingredients, combined with aromatic plants such as cilantro and ginger, and spices like curry paste. During the class, guided by a local chef, you will learn to use traditional utensils such as the wok and the rice cooker, to prepare iconic dishes like pad thai, green curry, or the famous tom yum soup. You will also be taught different cooking techniques, and how to balance the distinct flavors that define Thai cuisine. Sweet, spicy, sour, and salty, all in perfect harmony. Cultural exchanges with Europeans began during the era of the Kingdom of Ayutthaya, and facilitated the introduction of new products and culinary techniques, such as the cultivation of chili peppers, which today is an essential ingredient in Oriental cuisine. The tropical climate and fertile lands, nourished by the monsoons, provide high-quality ingredients, with jasmine rice being the star product. The country's abundant rivers and extensive coastlines complete Thailand's natural pantry. Joining a cooking class is not only fun, but also allows you to share your experiences in Thailand with your family and friends later, while they enjoy a traditional dish cooked by you. It could be an excellent plan. Don't you think so?
Not crunchy and hard, we get used to the soft rice. But anyway, the price is a little bit cheaper as well. But when it's old, young, you see, sour juicy. The meat is not, and you can't eat it. But you put it in a blender like that, you will get shredded coconut. Okay, and this part we don't use. The white part, of course, I should get a little more. The white part of lemongrass. No, this one is the more spiciest one.
This is more spicy.
More flavor. That one. I'm sorry, may I inform again? When chili, they have some. How spicy? This one is like medium European. Do you like spicy European or Thai medium Thai spicy or Thai spicy?
I said
or
like
Thai spicy.
Like this. You just cut it. If you can cut it, that means you really soft.
มาซาalright massage okay we will put the curry
การที่ขอพวกนั้นฟรี